Hey everybody, small tool haul from Home Depot as well as an update on the Milwaukee cutoff tool, the 3-inch cutoff tool that I had an issue in the earlier video. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so I did a video earlier about this 3-inch compact cutoff tool. I went back to Home Depot, realized when I got there that I was just being overly cautious, and you know, I never bought the tool before, so the actual blades that it came with, they opened 5 of them in front of me. They all looked the same. They all had, most of them had scratches. So I just took the one that I got earlier home. I didn't trade it for another one because this one didn't have as many scratches on the dust chute and everything else as much as the other ones did. Dust shoe. So I picked this one up while I was there in Casa Grande. A lady ended up calling a bunch of Home Depots. Every Home Depot stated that they had 2 of them. She called like 12. They all stated that they didn't have anything other than the display. I ended up calling one in Deep Phoenix. The gentleman was extremely nice. He went searching. He said, yeah, I'm staring at 5 of them. He verified it. I asked him if he could hold it. I drove all the way to Thomas Road in Phoenix and picked this guy up. And while I was there, because the Home Depots near me don't have these, the Milwaukee InkZall job site markers in silver and gold, I picked them up, and the markers cost me a total of $8.62, and the grinder, or not the grinder, but the 1/4-inch right angle die grinder was $183.53, and this one is part number 2485-20. It's bare tool, and these two, the gold one is part number 48-22-3122, and the silver one is 48-22-3121. So just short video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Let me know if you guys like these videos. I'll be doing more. I bought a bunch of Milwaukee tools from Acme Tools as well. Give a shout out to Hard Knocks Forge. I used his Acme Tools link. I'll leave a card up here for Hard Knocks Forge. Appreciate the link, bro. And comments, criticisms down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.